Hi students, I'm Laura, one of the librarians at Cabrillo. I'm going to give you a brief overview of this guide and how it can help you find library resources for your assignment. First of all, you can get help from us down here on the left under questions. It says Ask a Librarian. If you click on that, it will bring up a form, so fill it out with your question and we will get back to you. The other thing to know before starting is that you can access all of the library's online resources 24/7. The online library is never closed. So if it prompts you when you're looking around on the library website or in a database or OneSearch, and it asks you to log in, that login would be your web advisor and Canvas login and password. So it's easy because you already know that. Now on this guide, you can navigate it on the left. There are four sections to it. Research questions and keywords, searching effectively, finding sources, and evaluating your sources. Now the first part of the whole process is to figure out some keywords. So you want to figure out terms that are in your research question or in your idea for your paper topic. And this big wheel here will kind of help you think it through. So at the center of the wheel, you'll see these terms: childcare, working parents, women, mothers. But you might need other terms or to narrow it down because those are very big ideas and big topics, and you need to find something a little bit more specific to research. So this shows you what other words might be associated with those ideas that makes it a little bit more narrow and specific, and that will help you when you search in the databases. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here where you can get to the next part of this guide, step 2, searching effectively. On this page, we've got ideas for keywords, how to brainstorm for getting other words that would be related to any ideas that you came up with. And then it shows you what that looks like as a question and how you can pick out terms out of that question to put into the databases to find sources. So brainstorming keywords looks like this. If you're thinking of the keyword parents, you might also consider searching for the term family because it's related. Down here at the bottom, you can see an example of how to combine some of your words to also get good results out of the databases. So take a look at that and give that a try and mix and match some of the words you've come up with. I'm going to go next to Find Sources. And on this page, we've got a nice little video to show you. It's very short, but it will show you how to use our OneSearch, which is on the library's homepage, and that's where you can search through all of our resources at once. And this little tutorial will show you what it looks like and then give you some examples of how to do that. It's a really cool tool, and I really encourage you to watch the quick video before you start to use it. Down on the bottom here, it does give you some more examples of what an academic or scholarly article is and where you can find some of those. So down at the bottom here, it says OneSearch, Academic Search Complete, Master File Complete, Opposing Viewpoints, and CQ Researcher. Those are all great resources to be using. Opposing Viewpoints and CQ Researcher can help you brainstorm ideas about your topic, give you ideas about what's maybe controversial about it or taking a position on something. Those are great to explore for ideas if you're not sure yet what you want to look for. I'm going to go down to Evaluate and go to the next page. So the next part is evaluating what you're seeing once you're in a database. You want to figure out who's the author, what's the journal called, what evidence do they cite, and the who, what, when, where, and why is a great way to figure out if this is a credible source, if it's a source you want to use. It helps you figure out if this is something good for your idea, your paper. And then these sections here, what is peer review? There's a really brief video on what that means. That's another part of an article being scholarly, and it'll explain that for you. And then there's another quick video here called Anatomy of a Scholarly Article. If you're curious about what a scholarly article is, I recommend watching that really quickly. So that's the guide. It's a really brief overview, but I encourage you to look at it before you start your research. And again, I hope that you'll ask for help from us when you need it, because we are right here just one click away. So good luck with your assignment. Thanks for listening.